Hey everyone! Me and my family recently went on Royal Caribbean's Star of the Seas, and in this video I'll be showing you everything I ate on the cruise. So let's get started. When we first got on the ship, we went straight to the Windjammer for lunch. The Windjammer is full of delicious food and so many options to choose from. I ended up getting the grilled lobster with herb butter, a grilled steak with chimichurri, mussels, grilled shrimp, salmon, barbecue chicken, and roasted potatoes. For dessert, of course I had to get some bread pudding. I love the bread pudding. I get it every time I go on a Royal Caribbean cruise. And of course I have to top it with some vanilla sauce. I also got a raspberry pound cake, Oreo cheesecake, and creme brulee. Everything was delicious. For dinner we went back to the Windjammer and I got chicken wings with buffalo sauce, ribs and pulled pork with barbecue sauce, deviled eggs, a crab cake with some crab cake sauce, a cheddar biscuit, and a roll. Then for dessert I got bread pudding, some donuts with strawberry sauce, and a cheesecake. The next morning for breakfast I got a cheesy omelet, seasoned potatoes, bacon, a hash brown, a roll, a cinnamon roll, French toast and waffles with strawberry sauce and whipped cream, and some fresh strawberries. This breakfast was so good. Oh, and I also got an orange juice. Another place I went to eat at quite often was the Aquadome Market. The Aquadome Market is a food hall featuring 5 unique stands offering global cuisine. The 5 stands at the Aquadome Market are La Cocinita, which serves arepas, empanadas, and Cuban sandwiches. I got one spinach and cheese empanada and a chicken empanada, and then I also got a beef arepa with onions, cilantro, and hot sauce. The next stall is Feta Mediterranean, which serves pita wraps and build your own bowls. I got a rice bowl with chicken, pork, lettuce, tomatoes, cucumbers, onions, cabbage, feta cheese, tzatziki sauce, garlic sauce, and hot sauce. And it was honestly so freaking good, definitely would recommend. Next is my favorite stall, Pig Out Barbecue. They serve pulled pork or smoked brisket, which can be served on a sandwich or on top of some mac and cheese. I always got the pulled pork sandwich. The pulled pork sandwich is delicious. I got it multiple times. It has pulled pork barbecue sauce, pickles, onions, and coleslaw, all on a brioche bun. You can also get barbecue chips on the side, but I would usually get an extra side of coleslaw. The coleslaw is also a favorite of mine. It's really creamy and delicious. The next stall is Mai Tai. They serve jasmine rice, pad thai, grilled lemongrass chicken, beef penang curry, and spring rolls. I got the pad thai with beef curry, crushed peanuts, green onions, and spring rolls. It was so good and very filling. The last stand is creme de la crepe, which serves delicious crepes. I got the salted caramel banana crepe and the strawberry and Nutella crepe. The crepes were warm and delicious. I would also go to Central Park to eat at the Park Cafe. The Park Cafe is the perfect place to get a quick bite to eat for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. They serve sandwiches, salads, wraps, fruit, and more. Me and my family would always come here for salads though. I got a salad with lettuce, tomatoes, cucumbers, onions, boiled eggs, croutons, Parmesan cheese, raspberry vinaigrette, and ranch dressing. This salad was so good and refreshing. After the salad, me and my mom got peach bellinis. The next day we went to Perfect Day at Coco Cay. First, me and my mom got pina coladas at the bar. Then for lunch, I went to the snack shack and got a chicken sandwich, mozzarella sticks, and a funnel cake. I get the same exact thing every time I come to Perfect Day, and it's so good each and every time. After hanging out at Perfect Day, I went back on the ship and ate at Base Camp. Base Camp is on the pool deck and they serve warm pretzels, tater tots, hot dogs, chicken fingers, and smash burgers. I would always come here to get the smash burger. The smash burgers at Base Camp are so good, they literally melt in your mouth. The burger has one beef patty with lettuce, tomatoes, caramelized onions, American cheese, mustard, and mayo all on a brioche bun. And it even comes with tater tots. The pretzels are served with melted cheese, and the chicken fingers are served with honey mustard and tater tots. Overall, the food was excellent. Right next to Base Camp is Deserted, a milkshake bar where you can get a variety of different milkshakes. I got the Strawberry Shipwreck milkshake and my cousin got the Oreo Oasis milkshake. The Strawberry Shipwreck is a strawberry milkshake topped with a scoop of vanilla ice cream, white chocolate chips, rainbow sprinkles, vanilla icing, macaroons, strawberry pocky, a rainbow sour strip, and a cherry. The Oreo Oasis is a cookies and cream milkshake topped with a scoop of vanilla ice cream, blue sprinkles, crumbled Oreo cookies, Oreo popcorn, vanilla icing, chocolate syrup, a Hershey's cookies and cream bar, and whipped cream. The milkshakes are absolutely delicious, they look awesome, and they even come with edible straws. For dinner, we're going back to the Windjammer because it's Caribbean night. Caribbean night is literally my favorite night because they serve oxtails. They don't just serve delicious oxtails, they serve rice and peas, plantain, beef patties, and more. I cannot emphasize enough how good these oxtails were. They were well seasoned, they had a little kick to them, they're a little spicy, you know? It was just so good. The next morning I went to the Windjammer for breakfast, but this time I took my breakfast back to my room and ate it on the balcony. I got waffles and French toast with blueberry sauce and whipped cream, a pancake with some strawberry sauce, a roll, a cinnamon roll, and some fresh strawberries. Then I also got a cheese omelet, scrambled eggs with cheddar cheese on top, seasoned potatoes, a hash brown, and some bacon. For lunch, me, my aunt, and my cousin went to El Loco Fresh, where they serve Mexican food like quesadillas, tacos, burritos, nachos, and more. I got a chicken taco, nachos, and seasoned rice. Everything was really good. This is what my auntie Alicia got. And my cousin got 2 burritos. Me and my aunt also got 2 virgin margaritas. After we ate, we stopped by Sprinkles to get some ice cream. At Sprinkles, you can get vanilla ice cream, or chocolate and vanilla swirl. I got vanilla ice cream. Next, at Surfside, we went to Sugar Beach. It's a candy store with a variety of candy to choose from, and you can also get cotton candy. The cotton candy is huge and it's only $2. And finally, the last place I went to eat was in Central Park at Trellis Bar. I got the crab fritters, which are house-made lump crab fritters with spicy aioli dipping sauce, the truffle fries with Parmesan cheese, and the mac and cheese poppers topped with Parmesan cheese and served with marinara sauce. And that's it. That's everything I ate on the Star of the Seas. I had so much fun on this cruise with my family, and I'm so happy I got to eat such delicious food. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. Bye!